Here we are at 1/139 Keymer Street. Let's have a look through. This kitchen area. Through to the double car garage. And the laundry just here. And toilet through this door. Through to the second story. Bedroom over here, good size. Two little windows that look through to the street. Built-in robes as well. Storage room. Small toilet here. Bedroom number 2, again with a built-in robe. Decent size. The master. Split cycle aircon, windows over the street, and the bathroom. Separate bath and shower. Nice neighbourhood view. Lots of windows here that give a surprising amount of light. There's the street.